Where are we, Andrew?
We're in the municipal building north, where we
Look at
have
what the elevator button is.
some Dovers, and we're going to get...
The floor
That one.
indicator on that one does not work.
That one might not be working. These are Dover tractions, so let me get the door for them. This building's actually 5 floors, so
5.
Unfortunately,
5.
2 and 5 are burned out on the indicator.
yep.
I want it back down to 1.
I love this phone handle.
We like that.
That phone handle is very easy to use.
Yeah.
We'll see if the other colors
It's a
work.
Dover.
It's a Dover.
Andrew likes Dover.
Yep, these are nice.
Yep.
They're old Dover composites, Dover Computomatics. Oh, I had a spasm there for a second. Did you
Yeah,
get
It's a good chime.
All right, let's see if the other one's working.
Yeah, the floor indicator obviously is not.
Well, we're about to see when I press this button. In 3, 2, and I don't think it's working today.
No.
This one has, oh, guess what? It just turned on.
Yeah.
Oh, it was just turned off.
It came off
Okay.
power save mode.
It's interesting.
You notice how the whole thing was dark and then it came off power save as
Yeah.
the motor generator started up?
Off level. Off.
All right, this one has some really interesting indicator issues sometimes.
Floor 1 doesn't
Watch that
work.
indicator. Someone's coming up with us, that's fine.
Put up. The floor.
Have a nice day. Let's see if those indicator spasm. Watch this. 4, 3, 4, 5. It did.
It did.
Awesome. That's why I wanted to show you this car. Now watch it going down. It'll do something similar.
Is that a controller related issue, Andrew?
Dirt. Watch this. Here it goes.
3, 4. 3.
Yep, can't make up its mind what it is. Just dirt on the selector, that's all it is. See how dirty the contact is on the 1?
Yeah.
So what do you think about these Dovers?
Quirky, but
They have some character, don't they?
yes, they
They
have some
run well,
character.
but they have character.
There's the elevator.
Bye-bye Dover.
Yeah.
All right, we're done in the municipal building. I think we have
Guess
to go
that is gonna be it for me.